Hi, Cliff Willits with Truck Ranch. We built this facility a year ago in West Jordan, Utah. We feel we built something truly unique. I'd like to take a minute and show you around. This is where it all begins, right here at Truck Ranch. Every single part of this facility is built for our reconditioning center. First stop at Truck Ranch when coming into the facility is our state-of-the-art body shop. These two booths on site is what makes us special. Hey Alec, tell us about what makes the body shop so special.
Yeah, so we have here top line paint brought by PPG, and also we have incredible state-of-the-art mixing equipment called by Moonwalk. Basically mix the precise color match by itself. We only need to use the camera, we'll do the rest. And we have as well a state-of-the-art spray booth. It's side draft, air and temperature control. Basically one of the best on the market.
Come check out our Truck Ranch garage and service shop. Brand new, state-of-the-art, 22 bays. Every technician has their own workstation. We have alignment racks. We have tire and wheel balancers. Everything you need to make your job more efficient. Welcome to our Truck Ranch rear parts counter. As an independent dealer with all makes and models, it is very hard, but we're going for it. All parts needed and necessary for your truck. Let's go up and see the service drive.
My name is David. I'm one of the service advisors here at Truck Ranch. Here we do all makes and models, whether you buy it from us or not. Every vehicle gets a complimentary UVI and a multi-point inspection upon arrival. With that comes with any service, whether it be an oil change, tire rotations, engine repairs, or transmission repairs. We do it all. We're not afraid to get our hands involved in it. The UVI machine picks up any imperfections, and we can base some quotes off of just the basic inspection off of that, and then the multi-point inspection as well.
All right, before any truck can make it to detail, we make sure it gets underwashed, we make sure it gets its undercoating. We have available bed liners upon request anytime you need. I'd like to take you up and show you our detail department now. Truck Ranch Detail. We have 8 state-of-the-art bays. Everyone has their own workstation, air compressors, vacuums. How you doing, bud? Good. How about you? Max, our head shop foreman. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
So I'll check off every single truck that we do, and we clean, make sure it's in good quality, so we can send it out to our dealerships. We'll start out by cleaning the doors, scrubbing everything, blowing everything out of the carpet. Then we'll clean everything up here. We'll get the headliner as well, seats, cup holders, make sure the carpet's perfect. We'll obviously do everything under the seats. Then the exterior wash, we'll do tire shines, rims, make sure the outside looks good, there's no damage, nothing like that. Clean all the windows, we'll put a sticker on and everything. The mats are completely cleaned and shined up. Wheel wells and everything are cleaned out. We'll also open up the engine and make sure that's completely cleaned. Then we'll come around here, clean up the chrome, make sure everything's in perfect condition before we send it out.
One final step after detail. Follow me. So here at Truck Ranch, our final step is to make sure that this comes to every location beautiful, merchandise, photographed, front to back, inside and out, and it's perfect before we send it off. All this hard work you've seen here at Truck Ranch leads up to one final stop, our showroom. Now that we've gone on this little walk together and you've seen a little bit more about Truck Ranch, when you see that one low price on every vehicle, whether it stays here at one of our 3 Utah locations or goes to Idaho or Colorado, you know a little bit more about what went into that one low price. When we say better trucks, better service, and better pricing, we mean it. All of this that we've just shown you would not be possible without our Truck Ranch headquarters. our management team, our deal clerks, our payroll department, our social media and photography, our marketing department. As we scale and get bigger, our headquarters team is definitely going to need to grow. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, come visit us in person or at truckranch.com.